Hello and welcome to another episode of Laptop Retrospective, and this is day 30, or 1 month, with this FiFine microphone. And here's the thing. Well, first off, I should tell you is that all of the audio that you're hearing is actually not through the camera today. It is through this microphone right here. So if I tap that, you'll get really annoying feedback. So if you were wearing headphones, I apologize. I should have probably warned. My main goal with this microphone is actually to do portable sound recording. Now, many of you will look at this and say, you know what, this would be a great microphone for, singing and all that other stuff, but I'm not going to sing. You're safe. Don't close the video. Listen to what I have to say. This was, with its little tripod, USB plug and play, the perfect solution for me to record a lot of audio in really weird and strange places. So that's exactly what I did. I've recorded a couple of different sound clips that I'll intersplice through the video, and I'll tell you what they are, just so you have an idea of what it's picking up and how well it did. But this would be an excellent microphone to take with you to do any kind of review or interviewing. It is very multi-purpose because of how little space it takes up. Now, you could get this in a much different configuration, more permanent and more studio setup, but this to me is absolutely perfect for something lightweight, easy to travel with, and just really good quality. The fact that you have a gain knob right there means that you can do adjustments on the fly that aren't in software, which is really, really great. And just to give you an idea on how I've been using it is mostly to record full noise sound effects or studio sound that I want to use later on. The camera microphone doesn't do as good of a job as this one does, and it certainly makes it easier saving it into a file format that I don't have to rip the video from. Just to give you an idea, I have something set up off camera, and I'm not going to tell you what it is, but a certain group of you are definitely going to be able to figure out, hopefully, just on the sound on what it is. So let's play a game in the comment section down below, and I'm going to start a timer, and you let me know when you figured out what this object was. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start now. All right, and there's your time. So if you were not too sure what that is, then you clearly did not grow up in the 80s and the 90s, because it is one of these big gray boxes. So again, it just really helps me in video production to be able to capture the sound that I need for a particular video, rather than scouring through the internet for hours and hours trying to find a sound effect that might not even exist. So if you are looking for a inexpensive, high quality, very portable microphone, this one certainly comes recommended from me as a very easy and safe purchase. If you have any questions about the microphone, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you very much for watching, and if you do want one of these, you'll also find links in the description down below. And if you enjoy this sort of content, the big four are here. Please like the video, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next update. See you later.